All right, we're truth telling here. I have a lot of different items for cruising and for travel that I have gotten from Amazon. But I have to admit, there's one particular product that, although I recommend it in general, I haven't found the particular brand that I have absolutely loved until today, because honestly, I have been saying, where have you been all my life? Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, this video is going to be a little bit of an Amazon travel and cruising haul, as well as some just favorite items that I have purchased recently, and I probably will use them on a cruise, but it's a little bit general. But I hope that you do enjoy it, because I personally like watching videos like this. Now, before I get started, I did want to mention two things. Firstly, all of the links to the items that I mentioned in today's video are going to be down below in the video description, as well as a pinned comment. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. All right, so starting off with a little bit of a cruise hack. This is a champagne stopper. I just bought this. I actually did not know that these existed. But what would you do with this? Well, if you do bring champagne on a cruise, many cruise lines allow you to bring a bottle of wine or a bottle of champagne on embarkation day. And often I do. If I don't have a drink package, I'm bringing my champagne and I'm making myself like DIY mimosas with the free room service breakfast juice that is delivered to my cabin. In any case, I struggled with how to actually save all of that champagne, and usually it had to just sort of go in the garbage after the first or at least the second day. So now I am bringing with me a champagne stopper, and I'm also using this at home. A smart card. Now, if you are somebody who already has an AirTag, stay with the AirTags. But if you've ever wondered, what can I do in terms of making sure that I can always find my wallet? This is where this smart card comes in. And this in particular is, by the way, to be compatible with an iPhone. But something that I thought about, and by the way, it also says you could use it in your luggage, although I mainly thought that this is really good for the wallet, but you could use it in your luggage instead of an AirTag. But something that I thought about is, I have my parents that are getting a little bit older, and I did think about the fact that for my father in particular, this would be pretty handy. Now, I did pick up a new hanging toiletry bag. This is my original hanging toiletry bag, and it still, it still works. It still does a great job, but it is looking a little bit dingy. And that, by the way, is a medium size. I do have it in large, which I used on my more recent cruise and about 3 weeks or so in Florida. So I wanted something larger that could fit full-size toiletries, but I did find another one. This is by the brand Bag Smart, by the way. I love their accessories and bags, so I've really never been disappointed in them. And when I saw they had this one, the material is a little bit more washable. So I think it's gonna just stay in better condition, but it's just a little bit of a size, a little bit bigger than the medium, very slightly, but it's bigger in the height. Just slightly. So what I love is, look, it can fit full size toiletries, and of course, smaller as well. Really a great size. I did want to show you this as well. This compartment here, what's pretty cool is it seems like they've updated the design. So you still have this plastic part here that comes undone, but it's almost in two sections. So you have this netting around some items rather than just that little elasticy kind of part. But you could also put items straight in front as well. Now, I will leave the links, of course, to this hanging toiletry bag, but I'll include the others as well. A perfume atomizer. Now, I did share this in a recent video, but it is a new item, and I wasn't sure if everybody would have seen it, and I really did want to make sure that you do. This is phenomenal. I'm actually keeping it in my purse, even just when I go around in regular life. I love the colors. I got 3 colors. It was black, silver, and this gorgeous bronze. I love it. But look what's so cool. In, out, really, really nice. And it was very easy to fill up, which I like. And personally, I like a little bit of a light scent. This is actually Chanel Chance, if I'm not mistaken. I'll leave it anyway. If I remember, I'll leave it down below. I absolutely love it, but it's great for men, for women, or even if you just have another liquid that you want to put in and it's not a fragrance, you can use it for that too. Speaking of toiletries, I did want to make sure that I shared this full-size toiletries. Of course, I have this liquid covered with these toiletry skins or silicone covers, let's say. Now, something that I realized is over the last year, I actually thought that they were like all the same until I ended up buying a couple of different kinds. And no, they're not all the same. So I just wanted to make sure that if you are buying some, that you know there is a difference, kind of like magnet hooks. There is a difference between the different magnet hooks and some that work better than others, 100%. So this silicone toiletry cover just stretches really well and is, in my experience, absolutely leak proof. Now I'm going to get to that travel product in just a minute, but first I did want to show you some other things. This is for my office. I know a lot of people were asking about, what about the candle? What about the candle? So I do have a candle. I have candles around my house and I really do like them, but I like them to look like the ocean a little bit and ideally to have a really nice smell. So I thought, okay, time for a new one. This one, oh, I was like making it like you can smell it. You cannot smell it, but it is called Ocean Breeze. I truthfully wish that there was a nice looking one and that was good. That was called Cruise. But anyway, I love the smell. It has a smell of almost like coconut, ocean, and I would say like a citrus, maybe like a little bit of mango or like pamplemousse. I know that's grapefruit, but you know, smells like that. Anyway, like that, but something that I bought, and by the way, I actually bought this because I bought a gift of a candle for somebody, and I thought, going to gift the candle, make it look a little bit more special. Well, I found this on Amazon. Let me just show you. So it's like a little lighter, a little electronic one. And I don't know if you can see that, but so yeah, you got it right there. And it makes a little sound. You see a little blue light there. Anyway, so I absolutely love this. And, you know, this is not something to bring on a cruise, by the way. Do not bring anything like that's going to start a fire on a cruise, but you know, if you have a candle at home or if you're looking for a gift, I definitely love this. Okay, without any further ado, the Owala Free Sip water bottle. Oh my goodness. Let me know if you have this already, by the way, because a lot of people apparently do. This really is the best. Seriously, I've tried the Stanley. You know, nice looking. It's not that it's not, but this is so practical. The design is really amazing. So let me show you first of all, if you don't have it. Firstly, you have this sort of handle. Of course, you can still hold it like this. This is 32 ounces, by the way, and they have some that are 24, 32, and I think 40, but I like this size. So anyway, this also still closes, so it becomes like the cover. Now you've got this part, just open that up. So it really seals well. And let me just show you, it's got like the sippy part, but the cool thing is that you do have, I have water in this, so I'm trying to be careful not to spill it, but you also have your straw. And when you're sipping, you could just lean this a little bit and sip out of the straw, or lean it more and, you know, sip it straight out of this, and you know, either way, or a bit of a combination. It cleans really well and easily because all the different parts come apart, so you can put it right in the dishwasher. And something else that I found is if you do buy the different sizes, I like the color of this one, by the way, but there were so many color combinations it was hard for me to even choose. But if you do buy this and you have different sizes, all of the tops are actually interchangeable. Okay, moving on to some other items, including what I'm wearing and the earrings that I have on. Now, I don't think that these earrings go well with this dress, but I did want to show you these earrings. They are new. They're by the brand Pavoi, P-A-V-O-I. And in general, I actually find that their jewelry, which is gold plated, but honestly is a very good quality for the price. This necklace is by Pavoy, and there's just a lot of things that I'll buy from them that I just think if there's like a little trendy item that I like it. So, but these earrings, I was looking for something that was a little bit of a larger piece. Generally, I tend to wear daintier jewelry. I don't wear that many big items, but I did want to get something a little bit larger for an upcoming cruise that I'm going on. And for like my formal night dress or my dressy night dress, I wanted something a little bit bigger. And I love these, and mostly because they are not sort of falling in, which sometimes happens, and they are not heavy. So I will leave them down in the description as well as a pinned comment. Now, the dress that I'm wearing is one of my new dresses. Very casual. I would wear this probably during the day. I'm loving this brown color. I'll leave some of the recent dresses that I got on Amazon. I'll leave them also linked as well. But if you do want a cruise outfit video, please do let me know. Okay, could we talk about cool items? This is so unique. And somebody who was on a Disney cruise shared a TikTok about using this, and I thought, oh my goodness, this is like the smartest thing ever. So basically the idea is, let's say you go to the specialty coffee bar and you pick up coffee and you want to bring it back to the cabin, and you know, you want to be a little bit more hands-free or just have one hand. So you could bring 2, 3, or 4 cups with this, and you could use it for, you know, glasses of Coke if you have that, or glasses of water, but you could also use it for coffee. Oh, and just to show you what makes this really good is it does fold up, so it's super smart, and you can even just like keep it in your backpack or tote. Magnet hooks. Now, I did tell you there are some magnet hooks that are better than others. So on our recent cruise, I actually mistakenly bought 2 boxes of 20. So I didn't really need these. But in any case, I bought a box of 20 because my kids came with me, and I just gave everybody a little package when we got on the cruise ship of, you know, magnet hooks and door decorations, a little Tums, really kind of a cute little package. But in any case, I just wanted to show you, even though they look really small, this is how small it looks like when you get them. All of the little screwy top hooky things are there, and they're small. But these ones are, if I'm not mistaken, they're 100 pounds. And while they won't hold 100 pounds, the idea is because you're usually putting them on vertically, if you buy 25 or 30 pounds, they just really won't adhere enough. So you really want to get something that's probably like 80 pounds and more. And here are the door magnets. Now, what I did is I actually bought like 3 packages, and then I just split them all up. I just thought they were super cute. A straw belt. Now, this straw belt comes in a package of 3. I wanted to share it because it's been a while since I bought it and shared it. But something I realized is I have been bringing 1 or 2 of these belts on like pretty much every single vacation or cruise. And I do find that it works well with so many dresses that you just need to add a little bit of a waist to. And because it is adjustable, like it's really going to fit even if you had a few extra calories. Now I have one more item that I have, and then I have another item that I bought that I'm going to start using, and I need your opinion. Ladies in particular, but honestly, it could be men as well. So this is an Aura picture frame. So it's a digital picture frame. Now, my kids actually bought it, one of our sons and his girlfriend, and I thought it was just so nice. They gave it to us as a gift after our cruise. And the really neat thing about this digital frame is the fact that there's an app, and everybody who's on the trip can upload new photos and videos to it. So I normally wouldn't have really thought about a digital photo frame, but I do think like either if you're getting it for yourself and you want to have like, instead of a physical album, but you want to have something that you can actually see, because I think what happens is a lot of us, we've got our photos and videos on our phone, but how often are you really looking at them? So now I have this just on a shelf in my living room, and the photos and videos change, and it's just like so nice, even if I'm watching TV. And because we can all upload to it, it becomes almost like a living frame rather than something stagnant. All right, last thing, and this is where I need your thoughts. These are Frowny's facial patches. And I bought this on Amazon when I was in the US, because I don't think that we have it on Amazon Canada. In any case, I will be honest, I actually do every few months, I will go and I will get just a little bit of Botox or Dysport. But I did that several months ago, not long before our cruise, and my eye got a little bit swollen while I was on the cruise, and just like the eyelid, and it wasn't anything terrible, but I found it a little bit uncomfortable. I didn't really like that, and I've been trying to wait it out longer between times that I go, and this is a little bit personal, but I didn't start to do any Botox or anything till I was about like 52 or so. So I think some people start earlier and they won't have any lines. I don't mind having a little bit of lines, but I don't want them to be so pronounced. Anyway, that's a little bit personal, but just the truth. So I bought these though, and I thought maybe they can help just to extend the time a little bit, maybe soften the lines a little bit. I do think starting this younger probably would have been a good idea, but anybody who's using these, and I'm not necessarily recommending them because I literally have not started to use them yet. I will. So anyway, I might let you know maybe in a video in a month if I actually find that they are doing anything, but let me know in your own experience if you think that they are worth it and if they work down below in the comments. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I am going to leave another video with a fuller list of cruise essentials, 50 cruise essentials that I recommend for 2026 right after this. Bye for now and happy cruising.